Hey, welcome to the show. Check out these 5 elastic clips right here. There's a variety of different colors. These are made of alloy right here, and then you have your elastic ribbon. When you stretch one of these out from the end of the alloy right here, you're going to get about 7, maybe 7 1/4 inches. And then from this end right here to this end of the elastic part, you're looking at maybe about 5 inches. Here's what the clip looks like. I'm going to open that clip, and then you can see that it has plastic in here, so whatever it's clipping on, it's not going to hurt it. And then all you do is just seal it, clip it down like that, and it's ready to use. These are great if you want to use this for shirts or some kind of clothing, or maybe you want to attach something to your child's backpack or different other uses. So on the back side, you just have a white material, and on this side, you have your colored material. So all of these are the same and made of, I would say, high quality material. And like I said, when you want to open it up like that, and then you just go ahead and clip it like that. It's locked in place. So this one stretches out a little bit over 5.5 inches. So hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I'd sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button down below. And I'd love it if you'd hit subscribe, and like always, have a fun day. Adios.